Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rent.com affiliate program for Tenant signups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.rent.com. Press the enter key to load the website. Once the Rent.com homepage opens, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the link labeled Affiliate Program and click on it. You will be directed to the Rent.com affiliate program page. Here, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access the affiliate portal. A new login page will open. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your information for accuracy. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you've confirmed your details, click on the Submit or Login button. After a moment, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can track your tenant signups and affiliate performance. Explore the various sections to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You're now logged into the Rent.com affiliate program successfully. Make sure to sign out when you're done for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.